Jamaican lost his life in St. Kitts and Nevis. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 36-year-old Jamaican was killed in St. Kitts and Nevis on Saturday following an altercation. The Royal Christopher and Nevis Police Force said that it received reports of an altercation at a house in Card Part, Sandy Point. When officers responded, they found Akina Wellington laying motionless inside a house with what appears to be a wound to his chest. The Jamaican was pronounced dead at the scene by the district medical officer. A suspect was arrested and is currently in police custody assisting with the investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.